Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix stuck on installation when you install software or games, and this ISDone.dynamic library error is pop up. This is the notification of crashes. So during installation you get this error. It means your hard disk or your RAM doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process. So the ISDone.dynamic library, and often associated with an arc dynamic library error in Windows 10 or 11, is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as programs of large size. So large games or programs have compressed data, and if your PC RAM hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. In order to fix that, there are some methods, but I recommend you to try this method first to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can hold Windows key on your keyboard and R key in order to open run box here. So you can type ISDone.dll to open system properties, and this is the system properties. Click advanced, click performance settings. Again, you can click advanced. On virtual memory, you can change it. Untick this box in order to manually manage paging file. Click customize and fill this blank initial size and maximum size. So in initial size 400 is enough, and maximum size 3000. So for most games 2.5 GB is enough. So this set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. So recommended on my system is 2.6 GB, and currently allocated a 2.1 GB. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.